Hello everyone, welcome to the channel.
These guys are savages. Meat chickens. Just a part of the little morning routine. Hey, quackers. What do you got on your neck, quackers? Hey, Bill. Hey, Carol. Hey, Fatty. All right, fatties. It's our Cornish Cross and our Red Rangers, I believe they're called. Cornish are getting pretty close. Are y'all hungry? Come on. Come on. Come on. What's up, Bill? Here y'all go. Get you some, Bill. Here you go, Carol. Now let's go feed the real fatties. What's up, Bill? That's our black cayuga, some pecans, Ruin, Muscovy. That's our chocolate runner. They're pretty cool. They stand up straight up and run. And right there we got our younger khaki Campbells. Whoa! About dropped the phone in the water this morning. These guys are gonna want some more food, so. Hey, Tom. What are you doing, Tom? Let's go get the ducks real quick. Handy dandy scooper. See him running back there, standing straight up. All right. I need some water. Yep. Chocolate runner. All right, let's keep going. All right. They get that water dirty so quick. Every day it's got to be changed. Water bucket. Yep, get ducks, they said. Get ducks. This is just from last night. Ducks are fun. Look at that. Yeah, get ducks, they said. It'll be fun, they said. They're alright, I don't mind them. They're alright. go say hey to everybody else this morning. Hey, Raptor. All right. Let's come in here with these guys. Get everything. What's up, girl? And if anybody's curious, we go through pretty darn much a gallon. I'm sorry, not a gallon. We go through a 50-pound bag of feed a day. 50 pounds per day. That's a lot of food, y'all. Come on. Hold on. Hold on. Let's get you guys some water. Get y'all a little bit more. Come here, hey, hey. Hey, hey. Come on, hey, hey. Come on, princess. Jump up there. Easter egger. All right. Morning chores, everybody. Morning chores. Hope everybody's doing okay today. If you can tell, we had a big frost last night. There's frost on everything. Look at that. So this is a blue-laced red Wyandotte. That's a gold-laced Wyandotte. And right there is a black-laced red Wyandotte. Got some Americanas, some silver lace, some silkies, some Appenzellers. We have some Issa Browns in here. That there is a rare, or not a rare, but like a hybrid. That is what you call a splash blue lace Wyandotte. But we have silver lace, gold lace, red lace, or I'm sorry, black laced red Wyandotte, and we have the blue lace Wyandotte, all in here. Come on, everybody. Let's eat. Well, we're getting down to the end here. Gotta spread these guys out some. You got one here waiting already. Bunch of chickens in here. Let's get the last of this food. Give these guys a little more. There you go. So, I think this is some type of olive egger or something. Again, we got the black lace red Wyandotte, Americana, silver laced, and you got a silky here. We actually have one that's got a cross beak. Issa Brown, gold laced, another Americana. We love these things with their muffs and tufts. If you notice this right here, the blue lace, they have rumpless butts. See, looks a little different there. It's pretty much just rounded off and flat. That's how you can see good on the two roosters right here. We got the blue laced and the red laced black Wyandotte. Then we got the splash right there. So we got all the Wyandottes in here. We got a couple more somewhere else, but we'll get to them later. Let's cover the quail up. Blue, what are you doing? Blue, what are you doing? What are you doing, girl? Back up, sweetie. Leave the quail alone. Check on them this morning. See how they're looking. Everybody seems happy. Made it through the night okay. Out of water, out of food, of course. Here's our button quail. These little guys. They're not laying me no eggs right now, but neither are my Coturnics. So we got to get some more food real quick. Finish feeding all these guys. And just real quick, I'll go ahead and show y'all the rest of the crew. Haven't made a video yet introducing all the animals, so I guess this is kind of going to be it. Where you at, buddy? Hey there. This is our male ringneck pheasant. Oh, that's a hootin'. Obviously a rooster. Such a pretty guy. He's just now coming into his colors. And he's gonna be gorgeous. Ah, there's the hootin' with some more Easter eggers. Let's see how these guys look. Oh, nobody's laying an egg right now. Got the hootens. All the hootens. And the rest of our Easter eggers. I think this guy's the male. Let's see if we can get him to crow. Oh, we missed it. Sorry, guys. That's that crew. Get them some feed and water in a minute. Gotta go get some more food. We have a group of 30-something at our other property. Jen has already let them out and fed them for the morning, so I'll have to get them another day. And that's Blue. Blueberry muffins. I'm out here in my PJs and my Crocs. But this is our other crew. To be honest, I do not know what all we have out here. But this is our youngest group. Youngest group of chickens. And we have a floppy ear bunny that stays in there, but we took him inside last night because it's so cold. And here we have our bunnies. Say, hey guys. Hey guys. This is a mini Rex, the white and black one. I don't know what that guy is. And then these are the, I can't remember. I honestly can't remember what these guys are. I'll throw a little text at the top here and let you guys know what these are. But I think they're like a Nigerian dwarf or something. But we have a buck and a doe, so we're gonna breed them probably next year. But they're just eating the grass up for us. So we got 5 bunnies, 2 turkeys. Between the button quail and the Coturnix quail, we probably have, I'd say, roughly 35 quail. A pheasant, probably at least 150 or more chickens, 25 ducks. And we just plan on expanding. So stay tuned, and I'll go ahead and introduce you to the other flock. If you're actually a fan of my channel, you've probably already seen them over on Poppy's Pumpkin Patch. I did an intro inside the coop over there, and well, that was them. That's the oldest group, the ones that are laying and stuff. Besides Raptor here is our OG chicken, our OG rooster. We got him last spring, and him and the Jersey Red, which I don't know where they ran off to, but those are our 2 original chickens. We bought 4 chickens last spring when we first moved up here, and we started with that coop there. And not too long ago, we had we live on kind of a busy road, and you know, we take the chance of letting our chickens free range so that we feel like they'll have a happier life that way. So we took the chance, and over a year later, we finally lost our favorite chicken. Rest in peace, Mocha. I'll go ahead and throw a picture of her in here. Beloved Mocha. She was our favorite chicken, and she was a beautiful Americana, and she's greatly missed. But we didn't let that deter us. We continued to get more chickens. A little while later, we lost one of the reds. So we have 2 original chickens, which is going to be him and the red, which, there she is, all the way over there. Real territorial chicken. And so yeah, those are our oldest besides at the property. These 2 Jersey Giants, Bill and Molly, they're pretty old. Molly's laying, I'd say maybe 6 months or so, roughly. And we have the her right there, Princess. That is our I believe Old English Bantam, along with Hey. She lays. And then we have a mystery layer in this group. This is a younger group, but we've gotten a couple, the Wyandottes we got from somebody. We didn't get them as chicks, so they actually, we don't know how old they are, but somebody in there is laying. So we get probably 8-9 eggs a day right now. And either if things go well this winter and they all decide to start laying this winter, we'll get a lot more, but otherwise next spring, we're going to be loaded up on eggs. Loaded up. So, thanks for watching today's video, everybody. I will, there's Red fixing to lay. Do your thing, girl. Pay your rent. So, I'm going to go ahead and sign off of here. And whenever I get over to the property and get y'all a little video introduced to the other crew, I'll go ahead and get that added on here. Go ahead and stay tuned, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Have a great weekend. They seem to all, most of the way, be out now. You can see them a little better. Got a mixed assortment in there. I would say we have to have probably at least 35 breeds of chickens right now. Is what my guess would be. This, everybody, is Hopsters. He's a male, and he likes to do what we call doing his dance to all the other rabbits, and he will not leave them alone. So we don't put him with the other rabbits. And he had nobody to snuggle last night, so we brung him in Sissy's room. But that's Hopsters. Getting super, super big. Hey there, buddy. Hey there, buddy. He's okay. Come here. Big fluffy ears. All right, say hey, everybody. Say hey, everybody. Say bye. Oh, there you go. Get out a little bit. There we go. Show us some floppy ears, boy. You're so cute. Our little pop-up camper. And we got some what we call camper chickens in here. These are actually some of the more uncommon Wyandottes. This is the blue lace Wyandotte. And this is the black lace red Wyandotte. This one here, we went out and looked at her one day, and look how beautiful. We come out and looked at her one day, and she had her neck completely stretched out. We thought she had a broken neck, and as you can see, she holds it normal now. I'm talking, if you held her backwards, her head would flip over and just dangle whichever way you were holding her. We thought for sure her neck was broken, but she's doing better now, but she's having problems with her left. Yep, told y'all Red's crazy. But anyway, she's having problems with her left leg and her left side. So we're almost thinking that maybe she had a stroke. Not really sure. She just doesn't really. She's got her toes curled on that side. It's okay, sweetie. So we think maybe she had a stroke. So we're just kind of trying to let her chill and get back to health. Come here, sweetie. It's okay. Come here. This one here. We went out there and she just wasn't moving. And we think that she either has like ringworm in her eye or she's blind, because she keeps her eyes closed all the time, but she'll still eat, she'll still drink, she'll still stand up. She does lay down a lot, which, I mean, I probably would too if I was blind, but when she opens her eyes, they're just real glazy and glossy, real hazy. And she doesn't keep them open long, but she's aware. And she just, you ready to eat, girl? You ready to eat? Breakfast time. Breakfast time, sweetie. So, you can see her eye just looks, come here. So, she still eats. She just got a little hard time, you know. But we're going to do what we can to nurse them back to health. She's trying to lay an egg. So, I almost forgot about these guys, but I had to come check on them this morning, make sure they're good. This one here, she'll still eat. She still eats, you know. She stands up and eats. So we're just going to keep doing what we can and keep praying for them. See, she doesn't really open her eye much, and when she does, I can't quite catch it, but it just looks like she's blind. That's the camper chickens, though, and the camper layer. So this, along as that, were just old sheds that we were going to tear down. and we decided that we would close this up and make it into a chicken coop. We have the same kind of metal siding for that we're gonna do this entire thing with. We just boarded it up for what we had for now, and we had to wait to get this metal in. We have it now, so we'll be throwing it on there soon. But this is the run we made. It's 6 foot tall, 4 foot weld wire with 2 foot of chicken wire, and we did some welded wire for the roof. Say hey. So this is the last of the other chickens. This is it. This is what we got. For now, at least. We got the Brahmas, the light Brahmas. We got the Orpingtons, some silver lace. I don't know if you can see that guy back there, the one being mean, that Orpington. His name is Big O. And can't see Negan. That's his tail feathers right there, the silver lace. His name is Negan. They don't all have names, but that there with the beard, that's our I don't know if I'm saying this right, but it's something along the lines of a Salmon Favorel or something. They got fluffy feet and beards and tufts. They're pretty neat. We got some black sex links in here. But this is it. This is the property coop. If I can get this off. This is the property coop and the property chickens. Speckled Sussex. Brody, don't let that chicken out, buddy. Got Welsumers, Barred Rocks, Leghorns. This is that one. It's from what we understand, a rare or uncommon breed. Come here. Pretty neat chicken. Go show you inside the coop real quick. It's not done, but we're getting there, you know. Nesting boxes. They got some roosting bars. They even got a nice little skylight up there. Speckled Sussex. It's pretty roomy in here. Got 30-something chickens, and they all sleep perfect and lay just fine in here. This is what we just got out of there. So they're loving it. They're enjoying it. And now y'all have seen all of our animals besides the cats and the dogs, but all the rabbits and birds, we've got to all of them so far. So until we get more birds, this is all of them. Alright everyone, so we're gonna wrap up today's video. Today's video was introducing everybody to all of these guys. We've kind of had a few of them here and there, but kind of just wanted to bring y'all along for the morning chores, seeing what we do and what we have to do on a daily basis, at least in the morning times, and going ahead and letting you see our flock. We got a lot of different birds. I think right now, I lost count, but I know we're at least 35 different breeds of chickens. So go ahead and tell them what to do if they enjoyed this video.
Like.
And what do they want to do if they want to see more videos from us?
Subscribe.
And what do they want to hit if they want to get notified when we post a video?
Bell button.
That's right. All right, everyone. We're going to sign out of here. Devin here.
Bubba.
DJ +3 Outdoors signing out. Have a good one, everybody.